Transitional. Transitional interior design style is an elusive style that spans multiple styles, tying traditional or long-standing styles together with modern or contemporary design elements. It's extremely popular right now among designers. In fact, it's very easy to confuse contemporary with transitional, and in fact, for both types, it's often easy to argue a particular interior design is one or the other. Key elements: curved finishings with straight line, lacquered finishes, limited use of accessories, use of impactful art as focal points, neutral color palette, textural elements such as wood, glass, lacquer, rattan, fabric, steel and metal.